welcome back and thanks for joining in. Now, first off, I would like to welcome my new subscribers. I have a few new subscribers that came in within the last few weeks, and I just want to give you a formal welcome and also just thank everyone else for being here. And if you are new or if you're here and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and like this video, comment, share it, and click that bell to subscribe. Now today, I'm wrapping up my summer thrift videos. In the beginning, I shared my summer thrift haul video, and of course, since then, I have been thrifting all summer long because that is one of the things I love to do. It's a hobby. So I'm going to be sharing with you the items that was not in that video in the beginning of the summer, as well as some of those items you will see because I'm going to share with everything through a summer home tour. So as I go along showing you, I'm going to show you where I placed them, how I styled them, and a few videos back I did my tablescape here in my dining area, as well as my kitchen tablescape. And then also I did 2 flips to some of the items as well. So I'm going to try to link those videos in as I go throughout the tour. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And I'm going to get right into the video, and I will meet you back here at the end of the tour. First up, this is a sign that I thrifted last summer, but I thrifted the wreath this year that's behind it. So this is what I did, a little change to it for this year. Coming through the front door, here is a cabinet that I got from Goodwill, and I thrifted it for $24.99, and I flipped it. And the mirror as well was an item that I thrifted. And I shared that flip in a few videos back. And this is what you're going to see when you first come in. And going on down to the second part of my foyer, this entryway table serves as an entryway table for my garage door area. And here, these vases that are on here are thrifted, as well as the floor vase, and I did a video on that as well. I paid $9.99 for the vase, and I flipped it. And my formal dining room tablescape, as well as my hutch, has a few thrifted items on them as well. So just check out both of those videos. For all of my new subscribers that I have who may not know, behind the screen is my crafting space, and I redid this space. It was my formal dining room area. That's what it serves for in the home, but I took it and made it into my crafting space, and I did that about 2.5 years ago. This home sweet home sign was $5.99. And it was thrifted as well, and I placed it in my garage entryway area, coming in and out from the garage. As I move along to my kitchen tablescape, there are a few items on here that have been thrifted as well, and you guys can check out that video. I did a whole video on my summer kitchen tablescape. And I have this platter, which it is a thrifted item as well that I got from Goodwill, and along with these plates that I place here on the coffee bar. And guests can use these, or anybody can use these when they want to get a snack or anything here off of my coffee bar. And of course, this cabinet that everything is sitting on is a flip. This glass cutting board was like $2.99 at Goodwill. Now, usually when I get an item like this, I'm just going to clean it up and sanitize it and use it for decorating. So just to stage it and put it to where I want to add into the decor. This mirror and water pitcher are the thrifted items in this space, and I love the picture because the print on it, the texture on it looks like a lemon, and I'm using it as a vase. And this mirror, I shared it with you a while back in one of my flip videos because I flipped it, and I used to have it over a table that I flipped as well, and it was over this table. Now, in this area, the spear, the yellow ball is an item that I thrifted, as well as this yellow and blue printed vase and the yellow and blue printed pillow. Now, for this mirror that I put in this space, is a little bit wider than the other one, and my sister, one of my sisters, found this one in Goodwill for $14.99. And moving right along into my family room, I got this lantern from Goodwill. I like the shape to it. It was a little different, so I thought it would be cute here on my end table. And also this white lantern, this one and the other one on the other side of the room is thrifted. And guys, I really had fun, as I said, thrifting, because I got this media cabinet from Goodwill. And those of you who have been following me, you know I had a darker piece here. It was an electrical fireplace that I had here. And I decided to move it because I wanted to lighten up the space. And I found this media cabinet, and it was in Goodwill for $59.99. But I had a 20% coupon, because those of you who shop at Goodwill, you know that once you get so many points, they have a point system as well. You would get a 20% coupon, and I like to use them on bigger items like this. So I probably paid right at $50 for this cabinet, and I thought it is perfect here because it lightens my space up. For some reason, my family room is kind of in a dark space in the back side of my home, and I know that's because I have my sunroom on the back and I have trees, and the sun usually comes in from the front side of my home. So this space is more darker than the rest of my home. Now, I have gotten this lantern as well from a Goodwill, and the cactus plant that is inside. So those are thrifted items as well. Well, guys, that is it for this video, and we're at the end of the tour. I hope you enjoyed watching as I shared with you where I have placed all these items that I've thrifted. And I hope as well that I have been an inspiration for some of you all to get out there and start thrifting if you're not a thrifter. So until my next video, which I will be starting on my fall videos. So some of those will be coming soon. So until then, have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.